Okay, now I'm going to put it back in and get it ready to return it. Okay, put that cap back on. Now comes the fun part. Putting it back in the box. Okay. This is harder than I thought, you know, because I'm holding the camera with one hand and putting the item back in the box with the other. Even though I have extensive experience with this working in the store, this is about impossible to do this way. Or maybe not. Let's see about that. I just gotta get this part through here. That part into there. I think I'm better off like this, putting this way, and putting the bottom of the box over it. Flip it over. Not too bad. Straighten it out some. Adjust that little audio cable there. That was the only thing that worked, by the way, with this. Is that audio cable, and only with the VGA, which is this, hooked up to the back of the HDTV. And this went in, came out of the back of my Magnavox DVR DVD recorder. Okay, so that's that. That should just about do it. so much for HDMI to VGA with audio. Doesn't work on my set, so everything I heard was that it would, but to get up to 1080p resolution, but it doesn't even give me a viewable video. So, and the sound quality is really low and poor. So that's that on that. Thanks for watching.